friends and family. Here we go again, my fall coffee and tea station. I've just updated it, and there isn't too much that's actually new here, except the cups themselves are brand new. I just got them. And this all came together for a set, except for the chocolate and tea and sweetener in the center of the cage. Thought it turned out pretty nice. Just recently picked it up. This was a great find for me. I really did enjoy putting this together. Thought it looked great. And of course, the walls in my kitchen are blue, but the gray and white go beautifully with it. I really enjoy these colors so much. And the candles I already had, so there was no cost for the romantic candlelight you see in this video. And of course, the pumpkins and pine cones also I already had. And don't they look pretty together? So the only real cost for my winter coffee station, tea station, was the new cups I just got and the stand that came with it. That was all included for around $20. I thought it was pretty nice. And the cups slip in and out very carefully. They're so well done. I love what it has to say on them. But first, coffee, before we deal with any problems. Rise and grind to the hard life sometimes we lead. We need our coffee or tea to get going. Hot stuff. Oh yes, I need my hot cocoa or hot tea to get moving in the morning. Coffee obsession is really for all of those that need something hot in the fall, when it starts becoming chilly and we have to wake up. Thank you so much for stopping by, my awesome friends and family. So this total cost of this came to $20. Not too bad. The flower arrangement I've had for some time and have used it in quite a few different tablescapes and in my tea station already in the past. But it still cries out fall. The beautiful yellows and oranges and the cute little butterfly my grandson gave me. Well, and then of course this beautiful tea set that my granddaughter gave me. And the cups are back behind everything. I can't pack it away. It's just too pretty. I think I'm going to be leaving it permanently in this area for every season because I do love it and it's so pretty. Well, if you're not already following my channel, please consider thinking about it. I really do appreciate all of you that give up a minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes of your time to watch my videos and to leave me such sweet comments. Love to thank you all in person. Thank you all for all the love and support you always show my channel. Hugs and kisses to all of my awesome followers. Thank you again for stopping by and seeing my fall coffee and tea and hot cocoa station that I have put together for this year. And I'm really happy with my new cups. They are so pretty. Think they go great for the colors in my kitchen. Thank you all again. Kisses and hugs to all of you that have watched to the very end of this video and give me all the love and support you always show my channel. If you're not already following me, please consider it. If you already are, you know I appreciate all the time you give my channel. Don't forget my channel is designed for adults interested in home decor, gardening, miniature gardening, cooking, cleaning, DIY projects, shopping hauls, inspirational talks, or whatever else Grandma comes up with. There's always new things that I do every week on my channel. Hope you come back again and see what else we're going to do this week.